Welcome again. In this session, we will try to learn how to categorize your mails in Gmail inbox. Okay. So suppose you are inside the Gmail inbox and you want to categorize your mails here in the categories like this. I have two categories over here. So in these kind of categories, you can categorize your all the mails, and you can make it means working better for your Gmails. Okay. So let's have one example, and I want to make a separate category for this kind of mails like big basket is there. So for doing this, you need to come over here and click on the plus after labels. Okay, so plus label, you need to put a name of whatever name you can select. I am just selecting the name, whatever the name is, means name of the mail is there, but any name you can select as per your convenience. There is no restriction on this. Okay, so I am making its main head label as a big basket, and there is also facility to nest the label under anyone. Maybe for example, under school here I have nested chemistry. Okay, so in this way also you can do it. Okay, so I am just showing you the primary one. Okay, so big basket I have created one, so it will come over here. So it has come over here. There is no mails as of now here. I have clicked over here. There is no mail. So now go to inbox, and suppose this mail you want to send it here. Okay, so just select it here, and you go to move to, and you select big basket from here. Okay, so one mail has gone there. Okay, so you can see if you come to labels, this mail has come over here. Now if you want in future all the mails coming from the big basket, instead of coming to inbox and disturbing you, you can send these mails directly to big basket. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, for example, you want to do it for this one, so just click over here. Okay, and after clicking this, you need to go to three dots over available here. Okay, and click on filter messages like these. Okay, click over here, and after clicking here, you need to create a filter that if such meals the mails coming from this, okay, should go to the your selected label. So you need to click create filter, and now here there are many options. If you want in the inbox, then you keep unticked. If you want to skip it, means you don't want these mails to come to inbox, but directly go to that label or means that folder, then click over here. Okay, so if you click here, though, then the mails will not appear on the inbox, and those mails, if you want to those mails as read or unread, whatever you want, you can select it from here. Okay, if you leave it blank, then it will be means unread mail. Okay, if you want to star it those mails, you can star it also. And here is apply a label. Okay, so the same label you need to select over here. You click here, and all the labels will be here. Although you can create new label also from here. Okay, there is also means facilities are available here. So whatever the mail you want to select, you can select from here. For example, I want to select big basket as we intended to, and you have a facility to forward also. If you add forwarding address here, this will be enabled. Or if you want to delete those mails, if any such kind of mails is coming, you want to delete, you can click over here also. And if you want never send it to spam, you can click over here. Okay, always mark important, whatever means it is required for you, you can select from here. Now there are certain categories here, the primary categories are there. If you want to categorize those mails from here, then you can categorize also. Otherwise it will be by default, it will be primary. Okay, and if you want to apply this kind of criteria, means the mails that has come from the same means this mail alerts at the bigbasket.com, if you want all those mails to go to this label or this folder, you can click over here. So initially while you are creating this, you should tick here, and later on it will automatically go, so you need not do it. So just click on create filter. If you click it, the all the mails available in the inbox, that will go to the means this in folder, that is big basket. And in future all the mails without doing anything will come over here. Okay, so I'm just clicking over here. So now if you can see, this mail has gone, okay, from here. Though no mail is available from big basket. If you click over here on the big basket, you see that both of the mails are available here. Okay, so this is the way you can categorize, and you can have a better management of your email by making the category and folder wise mails. You can segregate it so that you can means read it as and when you want, and as the way you want. Okay, so I think this is all. Thank you very much.